Hi guys, and welcome back to another crochet tutorial from the Hook and Knot Nook. If you've watched any of my videos from years previously, you know that now my birthday is out the way and it's September. All I can think about is Halloween. So in order to keep myself busy until we start with those DIYs, which I will be posting, we get ready for the autumnal equinox. And one of the things that we do is make a crocheted autumn leaf wreath. And today we will be working on these little shapes. Now this should be a really short video. It's really easy, there's not much to it. Now again, as normal, I'm using a normal DK yarn and my 3mm hook for these to try and keep them nice and tight. So we start with our slip knot on our hook. Then we're going to chain 12. Obviously, if you want to make it bigger, feel free to do so. So 12, we're then going to go into the second chain from the hook, and we're going to single crochet in the first 10 stitches. Then in number 11, we're going to do 3 single crochets. We're now working down the other side of the chain, and we are going to single crochet in those next 9 stitches, or other side of our chain. 8 and 9. And now we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and working in the back loop only. Again, we're going to single crochet, back loop only in those 10 stitches until we get to the tip again. And 10, and then we are going to do 3 single crochets in that tip, and then back loop only, or back loop of that tip, and then back loop only, single back loop single crochet in those next 9 stitches. And then again we're going to keep repeating this. So chain 1, turn your work, back loop only, and work your way in the next 10, 3 single crochets in number 11, and then 9 on the other side. Again, chain 1, turn your work, rinse, repeat until you get the leaf as big as you want it. So that's 10 single crochets, 3 in number 11, 9 on the other side, chain 1, turn your work, 10 single crochets, 3 in number 11, 9 on the other side. I varied how many rows I did in each leaf just to give them different size, as they'll be going different places on the wreath, but you keep going as long and as big as you want to. Said you can actually make your initial row a bit longer and the leaf will be bigger in size, but as we're only making a small wreath this year, this was perfect. So I just chained 1, pulled my yarn through, gave it a snip, and then tidied in my ends. I will be doing a video of the basic leaf in the next week or so, and also the making of the wreath for the autumnal equinox. We'll also be putting in a little snippet of the mullion candles that we make from the plants in the garden. But I hope you guys like this video. It's really easy project to use up scrap yarn. We also put them in little garlands and stuff like that. Scatter them around the place, make coasters, and because any excuse to celebrate a holiday in our house. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. And yeah, the next videos coming will be the setting up for the autumnal equinox celebration, And then from there on, we've added some new interesting Halloweeny DIYs this year, and I'll be posting the videos on